Do you want to know how to never be rejected again? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Anna here from createyourfuture.co. So today I'm going to let you know how you can stop being rejected and never be rejected again. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in yourself. So guess what? Rejection, we do it to ourselves. How do we create rejection? Okay, so we create rejection by saying things like, nobody likes me, nobody wants to be around me, so-and-so Jerry isn't interested in me. Okay, so because everybody is you pushed out, when you create those statements, everybody in your reality or Jerry has to act like they don't want to be around you, that they don't want to hang out with you. So in turn, you actually create rejection. You create rejection just by simply thinking, Jerry doesn't want to be with me. And that thought gets everyone as you pushed out. So Jerry automatically has to act like, I don't want to be with you. And then all of a sudden we feel rejected. So we really create rejection ourselves. So how you can never be rejected again is you start changing your story about the person or about people. You say, yes, everybody likes me. I'm amazing. Everybody likes to be around me. My friends always invite me everywhere. I'm accepted by people. Because once you create it, if you say, I'm accepted by people, all of a sudden Jerry's like, I accept you. And now all of a sudden people are accepting you. My friends never call me. Okay, well, guess what? They're never going to call you. And when that manifests in your reality, then all of a sudden it's like, oh, I feel rejected. Well, yeah, you created that they're never going to call you. I would feel rejected too if I created that. No, my friends always call me and they always want to hang out with me because I'm good enough. Okay, so how to never be rejected again is start changing your story. Yeah, Jerry, you know what? Me and Jerry had a big fight, okay? And all of a sudden I think that he never wants to talk to me again, but I want to get him back. I want Jerry back. Why doesn't he want to be with me? Why isn't he calling me? He never calls me. He's never going to forgive me. Like, all of these statements create him to not want to be with me and never forgive me and never call me. And then when that manifests in my world, because I've created it, then yeah, I feel rejected. So we change that story. No, Jerry's a forgiving and understanding teddy bear. He does want to be with me. He does call me every day. He's totally forgotten about, why we broke up, and he wants to get back together and start again. Okay. So we really create rejection just by the thoughts that we're having and thinking that people don't want to be around us, but that's not necessarily true. Nobody actually wants to reject you. You're the only person that creates that people don't want to be around you. If you create that people don't like you, well, you're the only one creating that. And it's just not true. It's something that, you've said. Okay, fine. Now you change it and say, look, people like me. People want to be around me. People think I'm amazing. Everyone accepts me and everybody thinks I'm an amazing person. And my friends call me all the time. And Jerry wants to be with me. And he is a loving teddy bear that loves me unconditionally. Okay. I know we all want unconditional love, and how we get unconditional love from somebody is we create and say, Jerry loves me unconditionally. Once we create that, Jerry has no choice, because everyone is you pushed out, to treat you with unconditional love. Okay. So yeah, take a look at the stories that you're telling yourselves about the people in your life, and start changing them. Change them to stories that make you feel good. And, start creating that people do like you, you do deserve it, and you are good enough, because each and every single one of you guys are good enough. You're perfect the way you are. Anyways, that's my video for today. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And you know what? You guys are all amazing. So start creating some wonderful things in your life, and start creating people calling you, texting you, wanting to be around you. Because you know what? If you say they want to be around you, then guess what? They are going to want to be around you, and they're going to think it's their idea, because that's how everyone is you pushed out works. So anyways, thanks for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.